AI enthusiasts, welcome back to AI Right There, your one-stop shop for all things artificial intelligence. Today, we're taking a time machine trip through the fascinating and sometimes hilarious history of AI. From toasters to titans, AI's wild ride. Buckle up for a journey filled with visionary thinkers, clunky machines, and plot twists that would make a robot's head spin. We'll see how the idea of intelligent machines went from ancient philosophers' musings to the technology shaping our world today. The seeds of thought. Our story starts way back in the days of togas and gladiatorial sandals, with the curious minds of the ancient Greeks. These early thinkers pondered the possibility of artificial beings with human-like intelligence. Imagine a world where statues came to life or chariots steered themselves. Pretty mind-blowing for folks who use sundials to tell time. Fast forward to the 17th century, where philosophers like René Descartes were wrestling with the question, can machines think? Descartes dissected brains, don't worry, it was animal brains, and came up with the idea of mind-body dualism, suggesting that the human mind is separate from the physical body. This concept laid the groundwork for future debates about whether machines could ever truly replicate human thought. Now, these early ideas about AI were pretty fantastical. Think steam-powered servants or clockwork brains with gears and springs. Seriously, look it up. They're both fascinating and slightly terrifying. But even though the technology wasn't quite there yet, these early thinkers planted the seeds for the future of artificial intelligence. Birth of a buzzword. Let's jump cut to 1950. Imagine a group of brilliant minds gathered at a summer workshop at Dartmouth College in the USA. These pioneers, including the legendary Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Claude Shannon, were the founding fathers and one mother of AI research. During this historic gathering, they coined the term that would change the world, artificial intelligence. Think of them as the AI Avengers, minus the capes and tights, although a pocket protector might have been involved. These visionaries believed that creating intelligent machines was just around the corner. They predicted that within a generation, we'd have machines that could converse, learn, and even solve problems creatively, a bold claim that would set the stage for decades of research and development. It's important to note that this era was also fueled by the optimism of the post-war period. There was a sense that anything was possible, and AI research rode that wave of enthusiasm. However, their predictions about the speed of AI development were a bit, well, optimistic. Little did they know they were about to embark on a much longer and way more interesting journey filled with successes, setbacks, and unexpected twists and turns. The rise of the machines, but not the Terminator kind, though. The 1950s and 60s were a time of exploration and experimentation in the world of AI. Scientists built the first AI programs, like checkers playing computers that, let's just say, weren't exactly grandmasters. One such program called Samuel learned from its mistakes and could even adjust its playing style based on its opponent. While not exactly world-beating, it was a significant step forward in the field of machine learning. This period also saw the development of the Turing test, a thought experiment proposed by Alan Turing, to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. The test involved a human judge who would converse with a hidden machine and a human and try to guess which was which. While no machine has yet to definitively pass the Turing test, it remains an important benchmark in the quest for artificial intelligence. Robots also captured the public imagination during this era. Think Rosie the robot from the Jetsons, but with less sass and a whole lot more wires. Early robots were clunky and limited in their capabilities, but they fueled our fascination with the idea of machines that could mimic human actions. From industrial robots on factory assembly lines to the first robotic arms used in space exploration. These early machines paved the way for the more sophisticated robots we see today. The AI winter, when dreams turned frosty. The 1970s and 80s weren't exactly sunshine and rainbows for AI research. Funding dried up as early optimism gave way to frustration. The complexity of creating truly intelligent machines became increasingly apparent and progress stalled. Some experts declared AI a technological dead end, a harsh winter that froze progress in its tracks. But even in the coldest winters, there's always the promise of spring. Little did they know, the seeds of future breakthroughs were being sown during this seemingly unproductive time. This period, aptly nicknamed the AI winter, was a time of soul-searching for the field. Researchers faced criticism for their overly ambitious predictions, and funding agencies grew skeptical of the potential returns on investment. Many AI projects were scrapped, and talented researchers moved on to other fields. However, there were some silver linings during the AI winter. This period of introspection forced researchers to reevaluate their approaches and focus on more achievable goals. They began to break down the problem of AI into smaller, more manageable pieces, focusing on specific tasks like speech recognition or image analysis. This shift in focus laid the groundwork for the breakthroughs that would come later. The rise of the machines. For real this time, but still friendly-ish. The 1990s and 2000s marked a turning point for AI research. With the rise of personal computers and the internet, AI research got a much-needed boost. The vast amount of data now available, coupled with the increasing processing power of computers, created a fertile ground for new approaches. This period saw the rise of machine learning, a branch of AI where computers learn from data instead of needing explicit programming. One of the key breakthroughs in machine learning was the development of artificial neural networks. Inspired by the structure of the human brain, these networks can learn complex patterns from data and make predictions or classifications. They're the reason why your social media feed shows you content you're likely to enjoy, or why spam filters can identify unwanted emails with surprising accuracy. Another game changer was the development of deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that uses deep neural networks with many layers. These deep learning models can learn incredibly complex patterns from massive data sets, enabling breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars. The age of AI everywhere. Today, AI is no longer confined to research labs or science fiction movies. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment you wake up and check your smartphone that anticipates your next text to the recommendation algorithms that power online shopping, AI is working behind the scenes. Smart assistants like Siri or Alexa use natural language processing to understand your voice commands and respond accordingly. Streaming services use AI to recommend movies and shows you're likely to enjoy. The applications of AI are vast and constantly evolving. AI is being used in healthcare to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. It's being used in finance to detect fraudulent transactions and predict market trends. And it's even being used in climate science to model the effects of climate change and develop sustainable solutions. The future we're building, the future of AI holds incredible possibilities. We can imagine a world with personalized medicine tailored to our unique needs, intelligent transportation systems that optimize traffic flow, and even AI-powered assistants that help us manage our daily lives. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we develop and use AI, we need to ensure it's done ethically and responsibly. We need to address concerns about bias, privacy, and the potential for job displacement. The story of AI is a testament to human ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our fascination with the idea of creating intelligent machines. It's a story that's far from over and one that we're all a part of. So the next time you interact with AI technology, take a moment to appreciate the long and fascinating journey that led us here. So there you have it, AI enthusiasts. A whirlwind tour through the fascinating and sometimes hilarious history of artificial intelligence. From the philosophical musings of ancient Greeks to the AI-powered world we live in today, the journey has been filled with brilliant minds, groundbreaking discoveries, and maybe a few missteps along the way. But one thing's for sure, the story of AI is far from over. A look to the future. The future of AI is wide open, brimming with possibilities that were once the stuff of science fiction. Imagine personalized education tailored to your unique learning style, robots assisting surgeons in complex operations, or self-driving cars that navigate city streets with flawless precision. The potential benefits of AI are vast, but they come with a responsibility to develop and use this technology ethically. This is where you come in. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a story we're all writing together. Let's continue to learn about AI, engage in open discussion about its ethical implications, and ensure that this powerful technology is used for good. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the future of AI? Worried? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of AI right there. Until next time, keep on learning, keep on exploring, and keep on wondering about the future of artificial intelligence.